Happy morning, students. We are going to solve practice set 7.5 first question. In this example, you have to find the mean of yield per acre. Now, to find the mean, you have to apply the formula this. Mean is equal to sum of all observations in the data divided by total number of observations. So, first we will write the formula and then we will add all these observations. Divided by what they have said, number of observations. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we will first start with by writing formula. Mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the data divided by total number of observations. Which is equal to, now observations we will write. The first is 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 divided by total number of observation. How many we counted? 7, which is equal to 10 plus 7, 17, 22, 25, 34, 40, 49. So 49 upon 7. 49 upon 7 is 7. So what is the mean? Mean is equal to 7. So you will write mean of yield per acre is 7. Okay. So with this first example we have completed. Now we will start with the second example. Now for the second example, see here what you have to do. Question number second is find the median of the observations 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75, 80. Now to find the median, what you are supposed to do? See here, median concept as such we have already discussed, right? So now here only we have to find median. So to find the median, first we will write what is given to you, the given data we will write. And for finding the median, the method is we have to write the given observation in ascending order. And we should find the score which is exactly in the middle position. So here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number of scores n is equal to 7, it is odd. So you will exactly get the score in middle position. So we will start first by writing the scores in ascending order. Okay. So answer 2, we will write ascending order of the given data. Okay, so I will write it down here so that there is enough place for me to write. First is 59. Here I will write 59. Then it is 68. Then 70, 74, 75, 75, 80. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to, it is number of scores. It is 7, it is odd number. So median is the value of the middle score, right? So the middle number here is, see, 1, 2, 3. This 3 will form one group. These 3 scores will form one group. So exactly 74 is in the middle position. Okay. So we will write the fourth number, right? First one, second, third, fourth. The fourth number is at the middle position. Therefore, median of the scores is 74. So we will write the sentence. This is the fourth one. Fourth score we will write. Fourth score is at the middle position. Okay, which is which is 74. Therefore, median of the score is equal to 74. So this way you have to find the median. Now question number 3, you have to find the mode of the marks secured by the students, 7 students in mathematics examination. Now the concept of mode also we have discussed. What is a mode? The seer. The score which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data is known as the mode of the data. So for that, what you need to do, see, if you are going to keep on finding the score by looking at the data, sometimes you may go wrong. So the best thing is the one which is repeated maximum number of times. So if you are writing it in order, in ascending order, so you will get a particular score if it is repeated many times. In order you will get, and just by the look of it you can write the mode. So the first step you will do is, if the score is less, scores are less, then you should first write it in ascending order, and then by the look of it you will get your answer which score is repeated maximum number of times. So here the scores given are, for question number 3, 99, 100, 95, 100, 100, 60, 90. So if you see properly, 100, 100, 100. 100 is repeated 3 times. Remaining, if you see 99, it is repeated only one time. Then 95 only one time. Then 60 also one time. 90 also one time. So here this 1, 2, 3 scores one time. Whereas 100, 100, 100 3 times. So which score is repeated maximum number of times? 100. So we will first write it in ascending order, the given data, and maximum frequency of the score is 100. So that we will write. So first we will write ascending order of the given data, 80, 90, 95, 99, 100, 100, 100. So maximum frequency 1, 2, 3. Frequency of the score is 3. Maximum frequency of the score. Okay. Which score? 100. So we don't want to write frequency. We just want to write mode. So you have to just mention 100 is the mode. So just write ascending order, half mark for ascending order, and mode. Mode is 100 because it is repeated maximum number of times. That's all. Okay.